Hey everyone, welcome back to the 𝐓𝐢𝐦𝐻𝐬 channel. When you try to update or restore your iPhone using iTunes, which you may encounter in this situation, iTunes pops up a window that shows unknown error 4013 has occurred. So what is iTunes error 4013? Why is this happening? iTunes error 4013 occurs when iTunes cannot communicate with your device's firmware. This issue may arise from firmware problems or issues with the iTunes software. But don't worry, this video going to show you some effective ways to fix iTunes error 4013. Method 1. Reset network settings. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. Confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings again. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi through settings greater than Wi-Fi. Now you can go back to the iOS 18 upgrade page and try updating again. Check if you're still stuck on Update Requested. Method 2. Update Restore iPhone with Recovery Mode. Put your iPhone into recovery mode. Please follow me now. For iPhone 8 and later versions, it came instantly. Click and release the volume up key and then the volume down key. Press and hold the side button until you see the Connect to iTunes message on the screen. Now your iPhone have into recovery mode. Try update your iPhone on iTunes now. Method 3. Update or reinstall iTunes. Ensure you have the latest version of iTunes installed on your computer, as updating it can often resolve compatibility issues. To check for updates, click on Help at the top of iTunes, then select Check for Updates. If this doesn't help, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling iTunes. If you still face issues, it can be really frustrating. But don't worry, I recommend using iMyFone Fixppo to fix iTunes error 13. Not only can it fix iTunes error issues, it is also possible to update your iPhone to the latest system during the process. Most importantly, it won't cause data loss. I put the link below the description. Step 1. You can first download it and see how to use it. Now open Fixppo and choose Standard Mode. Connect your iPhone to the computer and then click on Download to get the firmware that will be later used for the fixing process. The whole downloading will take you up to 15 minutes or so. You may wait for it to complete and begin the last step. Click on Start and check the instruction carefully to bring your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and above, instantly click and release the volume up key and then the volume down key. Press and hold the side button until you see this. Fixppo will instantly start to fix your iPhone and finish it in 5 minutes. Try not to touch the cable when Fixppo is working, or your iPhone may be disconnected, then it's done. When the process is finished, your iPhone will be rebooted, and you can see that your iPhone now is in the iOS 18 version. Amazing! You won't encounter iTunes error 13. Now you can fully enjoy your iPhone. Click the link below to download iMyFone Fixppo for free. Alright, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you found these tips helpful, feel free to share them with your friends. See you next time.